Raju has given us truckloads of homework today.
Just a pauper now. Every penny is gone.
Well, he is famous for fleecing others. Looks like someone has managed to rob him today.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe it.
Crying so much?
It was very dark, so I couldn't see the robber. But he robbed me of all my money. From right under my nose. Oh, I'm just a pauper now.
What do you say, Bheem?
Mysterious. This robbery is quite weird.
And guys, let us all try to catch him tonight, red-handed.
It's dark enough now. That robber can come in any minute.
We'll split up in 2 teams, guys.
Bheem! There he is! Look!
Let's chase him. Come on.
I can only see the shadow of that robber, Bheem.
Not chasing the shadow of the robber here. We are actually chasing a shadow.
What?
Yes, Bheem is saying that the robber is a shadow himself who can run even on the walls. Oh no! The robber managed to run away.
Not to worry. He's surely going to come again. Let's all go back home now because it's quite late in the night. We'll meet again tomorrow.
Aha! I found it. Here you go. You were asking for this torch, right?
Yes, this is the one, but we would require more torches like this. Get ready for action now.
Did you hear that noise?
There he is, really trying to run away from the glow of the light.
Bring him towards me now.
Now this robber is almost in our grasp. Make sure you keep him trapped inside the light, Bheem.
We have cordoned you off from all the sides. You cannot escape from us now. Oh, looks like you're not liking these beams of light. Am I right?
Listening to you, Bheem.
Now just hear me out. I can remove these beams of light from you. But only on one condition. You'll have to leave right now. And promise that you will never return. Do you agree? Raju, let him go now. He has agreed to our terms.
Your idea really worked well, Bheem. You were right.
One more challenge.
Sure. Look carefully, everyone.
What is up there?
A very beautiful bird. Whoever gets it down first wins the game and gets to take the bird home.
No.
Where is Kalia?
I'm up here.
No, Kalia!
Why? I am about to win.
I am a fairy. I have a lot of unique powers. And the sorceress of the forest wants them for herself. She has used a magical key to put a lock on my hands. That's why I can't fly. I must find that key soon. Otherwise... Hiding here.
Nothing will happen to you here. Eat up.
Looking for something.
What was that?
We must do something about it. We can't do anything. That bird is the princess of us fairies. If that sorceress manages to take away the powers of the princess, then we won't be able to do anything.
Nothing of that sort will happen. First of all, we must stop that sorceress from stealing the powers of the princess.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I have come to take the bird away.
Let's see if you can. Try.
If I can't take the bird away, I will take whatever I can.
Hey, wait! Hey, boy!
Attack!
Hey, stop! Where do you think you are going?
Beam! No!
I just have to switch on the miracle ball and I will have the fairy's powers. Then...
One, two, three.
Earlier we came third in the cycle race and now we came last. You two are so slow.
Slow? If we had not given you a push, then forget about coming last. You wouldn't have even completed the race.
How dare you talk to me like that?
Run
Wait! Forget it. It is very hot. I can't run anymore.
Oh, good. I'm sweating so much right now.
Me too. I don't feel like playing anymore in this heat.
Come to my house, all of you. Mom was going to make lemonade for everyone. You can have laddus with it if you like.
We like.
They mean to say, of course they'd like to.
98, 99, 100. Are you ready now? Not as yet. Ready, guys?
Not so fast.
I'm coming now. Uh-huh. Aha. Where is everyone hiding? I could always catch them so easily. Oh yes, this technique is not going to work. I have got to use my brain a bit. And use this yummy laddu. Oh, found one last laddu was left in my bag, friends. Well, this is the only one I have. Aha! Hey Bheem, you're out!
Anyone would do this for such a nice laddu.
I agree completely. Now this last laddu is all mine. Mine.
Well, not so easily, Jaggu.
Finally, this laddu is in the hands of its rightful owner.
In that case, I should be its only rightful owner.
So, you better admit that today is not your day, Bheem. Give up now. The game is over.
The game is not over yet, my friend. Because I don't give up that easily. Well, we may have just one laddu. But if you agree, we all can share it.
It's come! It's come! We have a good news from Master Cook. They've called Ma to take part in the competition. Yay!
Friends, now let's see in this very first round what all our contestants have prepared out here. So here we have the result of the semi-final. There are 3 finalists. The one who prepared yummy food, Miss Lily. The one who prepares tasty snacks real fast, Mr. Shaukin. And it's Tuntun Auntie. Yay! Here at the very outset, I have a question for you 3 finalists. Tell me, why are you fond of cooking?
Ooh, I like cooking because it helps me to express all my feelings and emotions.
Oh, you see, actually, everyone around me used to make such tasteless and unappetizing food that it made me think I will show everyone how to make tasty and delicious food.
As far as cooking is concerned, I'm not quite fond of cooking.
What?
Yes, but whenever I see a smile on the kids' faces after eating the food prepared by me, it gives me a great amount of satisfaction. So I try to improve my cooking.
Now, you 3 finalists will prepare one of your favorite dishes, and that will finally make us decide who is the winner of our Master Cook.
Okay, the container of special ghee goes for a toss. Well, one doesn't know how. Yeah. I'm very confident that in the final round, Tuntun Auntie's laddus will create magic.
Well, I just hope so. But where's my container in which I'd kept ghee?
Just see carefully, Ma. Maybe it's there, in one of your other bags. Here's the jar which has white powder in it. But this is salt.
What? I can't believe it. Without my special ghee and sugar, how will I manage to get the special flavor in my laddus?
Just don't worry, Tuntun Auntie. Believe me, there's still enough time for the final round. So I'll just step out right now and buy your special ghee and sugar once again. If this boy really goes and gets the special ghee and sugar, then our entire plan will go for a toss.
Well, I will not let that happen at any cost.
Bye. It's the matter of a Dholakpur's pride, Tuntun Auntie.
It's not only the pride of Dholakpur, this laddu is the pride of our nation. Tuntun Auntie is definitely our master.
Tuntun Auntie's laddu is the love of our life. It is the pride of our Dholakpur. Hey, Tuntun Auntie's laddu.
Gosh, what's the matter today? It's so hot.
Different kinds of magazines.
Okay, come on. Let me buy one of the magazines. Well, that one.
There you go.
This will help me to pass my time well. And I can also use it as a fan.
Tuntun Auntie, please give 4 laddus. Looks like you've got an eye flu. Please take care of yourself.
Huh? This is not an eye flu. It's a modern fashion. Well, I've got another idea.
Look at all the jewelry that she's wearing.
Huh?
Not a single soul around. Let's attack her at once.
How dare you! I'll teach you a good lesson. No one can act smart with Tuntun Auntie. You'll cry for the rest of your life. Anybody around?
We are here! Ma, what kind of clothes are you wearing?
Am I not looking smart and modern?
But, Ma...
Today you are not looking like an auntie at all. Look at you.
So, today my sale has shot up like anything. Money is just pouring in. Pots and pots of money. La 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 la. Ouch! Someone, please help! Help! You just don't need to worry. I have thought of something constructive so that along with fashion, we are also able to grow in our business without any obstruction.
Now what?
High-heeled sandals. Which helps you to remove things from any height. Well, then you wouldn't need a stool or anything.
If we snatch away her purse, she will not be able to stop us.
Oh, come. Just try and steal my purse if you have the guts.
Hope those kids are not around somewhere.
Forget the kids. Today you have something else.
Mummy, we had it.
Ma, hope everything is all right with you. These goons.
So, didn't I say my fashion would be so useful?
Huh?
I gained so much with the help of these high-heeled sandals.
Bheem, let us camp here for the night.
Hey, what's this?
You naughty lamb. How long will you make this old man of yours run around like this? What are you kids doing over here?
We have come here from Dholakpur on a holiday.
Holiday? And that too at this mountain? All you can see out here is just rocks.
Actually, this was the only place at Dholakpur which we had not seen ever. That is why, Uncle.
I must leave. Bela!
Was that a lamb or a lioness?